Right, back in again with another video beer review, another American beer, another stout. I'm just having one of them dark sort of beer moments today. So I'm just in the mood, dark all day long, and that's how it's going to be for me today. So taking a look at a beer from Belching Beaver. I think they're out of San Diego. And this is a can of their Viva La Beaver. So it's a Mexican chocolate peanut butter stout, clocking in at 7.5% ABV. 16 ounce can. There is a bit of info there, but if you want to have a look at it, go for it. I think the last Belching Beaver beer I had was a few years ago, and I think it was in a smaller can. I think it was another stout as well. Right, let's see what we get with it. Look at that. I can tell that's going to be quite thick. It's pouring like engine oil. Okay, that'll do. A little bit left in the can still. Appearance, jet black all day long. 2-finger tan head, nice and compact. Peanuts, yeah. With the chocolate in the mix as well. I mean, Mexican chocolate peanut. There's going to be a bit of spicy. I'm not detecting it on the nose, but it just smells for me like the peanut M&Ms. Peanutty and milk chocolatey. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Cheers. There's the Mexican influence there. Lovely tickle of spice. Quite a bit of a heat kick to it. I mean, like not like chilies or anything like that. Maybe a bit of the alcohol warmth in there, but something like yeah, maybe like some cinnamon in there or something like that. Beautiful, thick, indulgent, creamy mouthfeel to it. Body's, yeah, it's right up my street, the body. Yeah, wow. Yeah, loads of peanut, loads of milk chocolate, lovely creaminess in there. You get that cinnamony sort of spiciness in there. Rich loveliness. That's cracking, that is. Really, really good. I like how they've got that on their cans as well. Pick it up. Independent craft Brewers Association. I mean, I did this one just before from Allagash, and they've got they've got the same on their can as well. So I like that. It's a nice little touch to sort of say, look, hey, look, you know, yeah, we're a big brewery, but we're still independent. So that's quite a nice touch. But as for this stout, you know, adjunct stout, it is absolutely belting. Again, I think I've deliberately fallen into the trap of these peanut stouts. I think it's an excellent combination to put in a dark beer. And it works so well. It really does. That is a mighty fine peanut forward stout. Just shy, just flirting with imperial territory, aren't we, at 7.5% ABV. But it's a cracking beer, that is. I really, really do like that. I'd recommend that all day long. Belching Beaver Brewery out of the States, and their Viva La Beaver, a Mexican chocolate peanut stout. Fantastic. Really, really good. No skimping on the peanut, plenty in there. See you on my next one. Take it easy.